Hello, I'm Aaron, and I will be your host for this series as we explore the possibilities and probabilities and the ethics of planetary colonization. Many people speculate that we will be on another planet by the end of our lifetime, but no one asks why we're going or what's the rush. How can we survive on another planet? This series will try to answer those questions and any other questions you might have about planetary colonization or space in general. This show will release a new podcast weekly discussing a new topic or picking up on a topic where we left off in the previous episode. I would also like to apologize in advance if you do not like my voice. I'm sorry it's too late to change it, so please bear with me. I would also like to apologize for my poor editing skills. I am still new at this and I am learning as we go along. Like you, I do have an interest in science, especially space. As a young kid in elementary, I spent most of my time in the science lab with the science teacher, fascinated by the wonders of science. As I grew older, I still thought back to those days of being fascinated with science and wanting to do that for the rest of my life. Science has always been the most interesting to me, and I decided to pursue a career in astrophysics. As of the time of this recording, I am still a senior in high school. This originally started as a project and soon turned into a hobby and passion. For those of you wondering, I will be starting at the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley this fall 2018 as a physics major. And once I graduate with my bachelor's, master's, and PhD, I would like to teach astrophysics to future generations at the university, continuing to inspire kids the same way I was inspired all of those years ago. Please feel free to leave your science story in the comments down below, and I hope you enjoy this series. And don't forget to look up every once in a while and just glare at the stars. And stay curious, my friends.